We have 10 exercises ranging from 30 to 40 seconds, starting with a boat crunch with toe touch. So let's bring our heels onto the mat and then lean back, engaging our core. You're going to raise that right leg up and do a nice crunch, bringing that right knee in towards your chest. Extend it back out, and then when you crunch back in, you want to take your right hand and touch the toes of your right foot. All right, let's make sure we're pushing those shoulders back, keeping that core nice and tight, and do the same thing on the left side. From here, we have arm-leg reach. So lie on the mat with the knees bent and extend your arms out to your sides. We're going to do an opposite arm and opposite leg with this move. So extend your left leg out first, and then we're just going to bring our right arm and our left leg up to the ceiling, bring them back down, and repeat. You just want to make sure you're really engaging your core and keeping your low back flat on the mat. All right, let's do this on the other side, raising our left arm and right leg. Now we have the roll up. So let's lie on our mats with our hands above our head, and then trying to keep our arms nice and straight. We're going to engage our core, come to a nice sit up, keep rolling forward until your hands come down and tap the mat in front of you. And then you're going to roll back to your starting position and repeat. Let's turn over and move into some plank toe taps. So come into a nice strong plank position, and then you're going to alternate legs, tapping each foot out to the side. Next we have side plank leg raise taps. So let's come onto our left side into a low plank position. Then we're going to raise our left leg, and we're just going to tap the floor, raise it up and over like a rainbow, behind us tapping the floor, and repeat. Let's do these same taps on the left side. Now we have the side plank crunch. So let's switch back over to our right side and go into that nice low plank again. And then we're gonna do a crunch, bringing our left elbow and our left knee together. All right, let's move to the left side. Come into that nice low plank and crunch. All right, this is the last of the planks. So we're gonna come into a nice low plank position, really engage your core here, and we're gonna alternate reaching one arm out to the side at a time. Awesome job, guys. Let's flip back over and lie on the mat. We're gonna do a cross leg crunch. So bring your right foot across your left leg and place it on the outside of your left knee. Interlace your fingers behind your head and crunch. Now let's cross our left leg over our right and repeat. Now we have heel tap. So let's lie with our feet nice and flat on the mat, knees up towards the ceiling, and then we're gonna crunch up a little bit, and we're gonna use our fingertips to touch our heels on each side. Almost there, guys. We're gonna wrap this up with an oblique crunch. So staying in the same position, we're just gonna drop our knees to the left side, bring our hands behind our head, and then we're gonna crunch up, really working those obliques. Last one. Let's drop our knees over to the right side and crunch. And we did it. Great job, guys. Let me know in the comments below how you feel after doing this workout. And of course, you can always join me live on Twitch for some behind the scenes fun. All right, send me some love by hitting that thumbs up and subscribe button, and I will see you all again soon.